The story begins with Mia, a girl who loves pastries, and Max, a talking cake that Mia created. One day, Mia was decorating a cake when suddenly, "Mia, do you know how delicious cakes are made?" asked Max the cake. Mia curiously asked, "I don't know, tell me." Max explained, "A pastry chef is a person who creates cakes, cookies, and other sweet treats. They mix ingredients, bake, and decorate to make delicious desserts." Mia curiously asked, "If I want to bake, what do I need to learn?" Max replied, "You need to learn how to measure ingredients, mix dough, and bake cakes perfectly. You'll also learn how to decorate and make your desserts look beautiful." Mia excitedly asked, "That sounds interesting. But what skills do I need?" Max smiled, "Baking requires creativity, patience, and precision. Great pastry chefs always experiment with new recipes." Mia asked in amazement, "So, what can I do when I grow up as a pastry chef?" Max answered, "You could work in a famous bakery, open your own pastry shop, or even become a cake artist." Mia excitedly said, "I will learn baking to create delicious cakes like you, Max." Max cheered, "Great idea, Mia. The world needs more talented pastry chefs like you."